In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can blur in CapCut PC. So first things, I need to go on CapCut, then import a video from my gallery. Example purpose, this is my video. I want to blur my face here. So this is my face. So just click on right button, then click on copy, then again paste here at the beginning. Paste. Okay, now go to the effect section, just click on effects, then here are find out blur effects. So just scroll down, otherwise here are charts blur. Then you can see this is a blur option, just stay here. Okay, just keep here your mouse, that's good. Now just select number 2, just click on control, then select this one, then click on the right button your mouse, then click on create command clip. Okay, that's good. Now go to the basic the video and then go to the marks option. You can see marks. So now just click on circle. You can see this is a circle option. Wow, it's working really well. So I'm go back in the first section. So if I playing this video, so I want to keep it very small. Okay, that's good. Now just click on play. Now this video, you can see this is a moving video, but lots of video are not moving. So if your not video are not moving, then select this one, your work are finished right now. But if your video are moving here and here, so you have two option. Number 1, go to the video section and select on, then go to the video section, then add keyframe here. So go to the basic, then add keyframe, then again the go on second, just right here your hover. Okay, that's good. So if your video moving, then select this add keyframe each by each part, then you are this blur option you need to change each by each, some on here, some on here, and some on here. But your video are not moving, then select one. So this is a method you can add effects, blur effects on your video. If you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.